Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log in to Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, you can go ahead and click on the link in the description or in the pinned comments if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet. But if you already have an account, you can go ahead over to epidemicsound.com. Okay, again, epidemicsound.com. Then just hit on enter. Now, once you're in here, you can go ahead and click on login. And then once done, just basically log in with the account that you have created your Epidemic Sound with. Let's say, for example, you have created your Epidemic Sound account with Google. Well, go ahead and click on Google right here. Or if you type it down manually, well, go ahead and type it down manually in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with Google. And then I'm going to go ahead and select from one of my emails. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, we are now on our dashboard. That's how simple it is to log into Epidemic Sound. And if you want to know more about Epidemic Sound, check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos about Epidemic Sound for you. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.